Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about NinjaTrader and TopstepX, and I will help you to decide which trading platform is better in 2025. So let's begin with NinjaTrader. It is a full-featured trading platform designed for futures and forex traders. It offers powerful charting, automated strategies, order flow tools, and a customizable interface which is ideal for professionals. TopstepX, on the other hand, is the proprietary platform used by Topstep for their funded trader program. It is mainly used for simulation and evaluation during the trading challenge phase. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, their purpose and usage. NinjaTrader is meant for active traders using real capital, while TopstepX is specifically for traders looking to qualify for funding. So you cannot trade live markets with TopstepX. Number 2, their tools and features. NinjaTrader offers advanced charting, strategy automation with NinjaScript, and market depth analysis. TopstepX, on the other hand, is much simpler, which is built for simulated trading and scorecard tracking during evaluations. Number 3, their learning curve. TopstepX is more beginner-friendly with a clean and limited interface, while NinjaTrader has a steeper learning curve but far more powerful capabilities once you mastered it. Number 4, transition to live. After passing a top-step evaluation using TopstepX, you will trade live on platforms like NinjaTrader or Trade that makes NinjaTrader more of a long-term tool than TopstepX. Number 5, customization. NinjaTrader allows deep customization from indicators to automation, while TopstepX is locked down to evaluation needs only. So for final verdict, if you are just starting and you want to fund or you want to get funded, TopstepX is perfect for evaluations. But if you are a serious trader that wants full control in live markets, NinjaTrader is the better platform for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.